Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I am going to bring the video of how to make the AI video. Okay, so here you can see this is the AI video I made. So this video I didn't add the voiceover. You will be able to add the voiceover. Okay, so this is the here. This is the simple character that the man and woman talking at the temple. Okay, this is the simple one. This all the images are created me and we have generated by AI. How to do step by step I will teach. Let's move into the video. Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Today I'm going to do the image generation best AI tool, which is a Google Whisk AI. Okay, so here this is the AI tool. You click on it. Sign in your Gmail account with your credential. I'm going to give the prompt over here. I'm going to give the prompt Indian girl and woman wearing sari at COVID 6 background. Okay, so this is the prompt. So here detailing I'm going to go to that respective AI tool ChatGPT. You can type it act as a world best prompt creator. Here is the text. Now here what I'm going to do is here the prompt is coming successfully. Just copy this, paste on it here and click it. Now you can see here there are two images are generated successfully. You will be able to see. Now what you're going to do is I want to generate another one, which is a prompt. So I'm going to give here as Indian man wearing white weight weighty at coil 6. I just copy this prompt again back to my Whisk AI, paste on it again. This one. Now you have to wait until the image generation is completed. So here are two kind of images generated. So let's check this one. Get one. Okay. So now what I'm going to since I'm going to put these two images. So this first images I want to like this one. Yes. Okay. Second image scenes. Okay. Scenes. Second images I'm dragging put it this one. Two images. The two images you have to put it scenes. Okay. So after that what you're going to do is After that we have to give the prompt over here. Okay, so we have to give the prompt. uh, Indian man and woman meet at the temple. Okay, let's check it. Okay, so according to that images, according to these two images combine and create the images, different image. Okay, this how that works. Okay, right, so that two images are so far matching here. You can check it here. Okay, so you can check it here. Okay, you can generate it anything differently, you will be able to generate it. So both are, I hope this both are matching. So I want to generate the video as well for this according to this image. Okay, so how would be achieved? Okay, so that is the tool which is a Google Flow. Yeah, which can achieve that stuff. Okay, Google Flow, sorry, Google Studio, sorry, Google Studio. Yeah, just click on it, the same thing. Okay, click on it. Nowadays if you type on the flow, it's not working, you have to type this one, both the same. Okay, so now here we are going to go to that where click build this one. Now here you can come when you open that Google AI Studio, you come up this what on the screen. You click on that chat with model. Here you can click on the VEO2. Okay, so this is for the video generation option. Okay, so you have to select that for your desktop or mobile. Okay, so here I'm going to select this desktop. So prompt I'm going to select as a Indian man and woman speaking at the coil. This is the prompt, and paste it over here. After that we have an image. The image, upload the image. So image I want to, already I have downloaded this image. Which image mean this one? I pick up this image. Copy this image, run it. So you have to wait until the video is creating. Now the video is creating, you have to wait until the video is completed. So let's wait. After completed the video, we'll back to the tutorial. Now let's check the final output, how the final output will be. So this is the video, it is generating. So click on the play. So this video we have to give the voiceover and we will be updated. So this is the professional way to do it here. Yeah, give the characters, that characters, this character should speak there. Here this is a man, this images we have to make it as video. Okay, so this is how we have make it the AI videos, how it's easy to make it video. Okay, so you can give here speaking. Okay, okay, now if you want, you will be able to download the video as well. Here you will be able to download it, you can watch them over here. This how you can create the good video. So this is the best quality video here you can see. Thank you for watching.